Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link to find out more information about that is up here in the corner. So on the Euro Yen monthly, we do have a little bit of a pullback starting right here, but I still think we're heading all the way up to about this 100% Fibonacci extension. We may make a bigger pullback, but I do believe that we will end up continuing the uptrend, making those higher highs, higher lows, most likely all part of a big wave C. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we have a little bit of a spike candle forming right here. We probably are going to make a pullback, but the fact that we are not bouncing off any fib levels and we definitely don't have any structure breaks to the downside does make me believe that this is just going to be a crescent to the uptrend, and price will most likely just keep on trending up. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, like I said, we have no fib bounce, we have no structure break, we don't have a lower high or anything that would make me think that this uptrend is over. That tells me that there's very good likelihood that this is just going to be a crescent, and if we can identify the end of that crescent, it's going to make for a great trading opportunity for the continuation of this uptrend. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, you can start to see this little uptrend here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very clear, very nice looking trend. We have a break of structure down, which does prove that this whole trend is over. I am expecting this move down to be a crescent. Like I said, it very easily could stretch out, and this could just be a wave A. We have a wave B and a wave C. So if we see 3 waves down, we see a nice impulsive move up at one of these Fibonacci levels, especially if we see a structure break to the upside, then that's exactly what I'm looking for my next entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, since we do have a nice clear break of structure, depending on what time frames you trade on, if you trade these sort of time frames, then I would definitely say it's valid to be looking for shorts right now until we can identify the end of this crescent, because this crescent could go down to the 78.6 or the 61.8 before it ends that crescent. So if we do see any three-way patterns to the upside, then I would definitely take those as shorts until we can see 3 ways down, impulsive up with a break of structure to the upside, showing us that this whole correction is over. If we see that, then I would definitely stop looking for shorts and I would start looking for longs in an uptrend again. Like I always say, the higher time frames are telling us the trend is up. Shorter time frames, I definitely am primarily looking for longs in an uptrend, but if we could scalp some shorts, then may as well do that also. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.